Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can run CapCut on your PC. So just go to CapCut.com and then you have this opened up, and then you're just going to select either open CapCut in your browser or download for Windows. So if you open CapCut in your browser, it's better if you open it on Google Chrome. I use Microsoft Edge, but you need to use Google Chrome for yours. I don't know why, but it's only compatible to that browser. And you can also press download for Windows, and once you've installed it on your Windows, it's going to look like this when you open the app. So you can now use CapCut on your PC. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!